This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has asked the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department to conduct an inquiry into swine flu cases in the state and take remedial measures at the earliest. During a meeting with top officials and scientists of the department, Sonowal directed it to send samples of the affected pigs to the National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases, Bhopal, for detection of swine flu. The flu has recently hit some parts of the state this year. Agriculture Minister Atul Bora added that sale and distribution of pork meat has been banned in Assam. The Sikkim government has sent back 84 students of Bhutan who were stranded in the state due to the lockdown to their country. The Bhutanese students were transported back home by 4 buses of the Sikkim Nationalized Transport. The Health Department conducted medical checkup of each student before they boarded the homebound buses to Rangpo. Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly has set up a COVID-19 control room at the Assembly Secretariat in Itanagar to help the stranded people across the country due to the nationwide lockdown. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, during a video conference with all the presiding officers of state assemblies on the 21st of this month, had suggested for setting up of COVID-19 control room at the Lok Sabha Secretariat as well as in the state assemblies to help migrant labourers and students stranded due to the ongoing lockdown. The Mizoram Government has installed disinfectant chamber at Vairengte on the Mizoram-Assam border to sanitize vehicles carrying essential commodities to check the spread of novel coronavirus in the state, Chief Minister Zoram said. The state government has also set up a disinfectant chamber at Bairabi, another town bordering Assam, on Thursday. Mizoram shares interstate border with Assam, Manipur and Tripura and has a 722-kilometer unfenced international border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. The Tripura government has instructed government offices to slash power and telephone bills by 10% and use air conditioners only after permission as part of the cost-cutting measures due to coronavirus pandemic. A meeting of the Council of Ministers also decided to assess and regulate the use of television and cable connections in the offices. Official sources said the austerity measures will come into immediate effect. Though there is no coronavirus case in the state, the measures seem directed to deal with the unexpected economic challenges due to the lockdown necessitated by the spread of the deadly virus. In compliance with the guidelines of the Ministry of Home Affairs issued recently, Meghalaya Chief Secretary has informed that all Deputy Commissioners except the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District will permit the functioning of shops that sell, repair and service mobile phones, computers, accessories as well as mobile phones recharging centres with effect from tomorrow, subject to the condition that bare minimum staff shall be deployed at the shops and service centres. The staff shall wear face masks while on duty and hand sanitizers shall be made available in the shops and crowding of customers shall not be entertained inside the shops and service centres. The Manipur police yesterday seized over 45,000 packets of smuggled foreign cigarettes from Kakching district during the ongoing lockdown and arrested a person in this connection. Acting on a tip-off, a team of police personnel intercepted a vehicle at Palel checkpost and seized the cigarettes smuggled from Myanmar. The consignment was handed over to the Customs Department and necessary action will be taken against the person for defying the lockdown order, he said. In view of the spread of coronavirus, the state government had banned the import of packaged food items from China, Myanmar and Southeast Asian countries which do not comply with the norms of the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.